Samsung is finally rolling out this new update for Smart Capture that brings back the remove GIF option. Right now they are calling it as Samsung Capture. This is a slow rollout, but you'll see this update within your Samsung Galaxy store in a few days. For example, if I tap on Samsung Capture right here, then it says this content isn't available in your Galaxy store, so you have to wait for a few days. If you cannot wait like me, then simply install this APK of Samsung Capture. Its link and source will be shared in description. Thanks to Taran for this APK file. Okay, so before this update, when you tapped on Smart Select from the Edge panel, it showed this interface where if I tap on these three dots, there are two options available here, which are Edit and Pin. So there is no GIF option available in this menu. Once you install this new update, the GIF option is back again. So let's install this APK file called as Samsung Capture. Don't know why they rebranded this app. Smart Select was a good name. Samsung Capture feels like this is a more camera oriented app. Now I'll open the YouTube app to see if this works or not for making GIFs. Let's select this app from the Edge panel. Okay, so now we have this new Create GIF option. When I tap it, you can select the part of video that you want to make a GIF of. You can freely resize this window. We have two options here for quality. One is standard and the other one is high quality. While recording, it shows the size of this GIF and we have a limit of 15 seconds. Once done, you can either pin it, copy it, and in this bottom section you can again crop it, share it, or just save it to your phone's gallery. So I'll be doing that. And finally, here it is in this gallery app. Now I can share it whenever I want. This is a really great feature. I don't know why Samsung removed it in the first place. So that was all about Samsung Capture. Let me know in the comment section if you got this update yet or not in your Galaxy store. I'm still waiting for this update to pop on my Galaxy store, but it will be interesting to see where this update is already available for download. With that said, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.